Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line is coming from, but another very, very impressive movement today as the markets start to get a little shifty here. This one has really continued to work its way upwards. So yes, this level down here still pertains, but it's not relevant anymore. So from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this level up to what I would now consider one of the newest areas of support. And the ideal level of support, when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest for, what would make this look the absolute best, absolute strongest going forward if I could talk properly? That would be $76. So if the price can stay above 76, definitely a huge, huge sign of power. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below 76, that implies the entire chart's epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above 76, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 76 would be a huge sign of power. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? As far as where the sellers are at, main grouping right up here around this area at the $80 mark. So $80, or excuse me, yeah, more so right around 81. So 81, public enemy number one going into Wednesday, although resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, it matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price continues to chip away and build these higher bases, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on chipping away and building those higher lows and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.